Today, I'll show you how to repurpose a face mask to create a simple tool for making a heart-shaped cat eye effect. First, I cut the side edges of the face mask to take out the thin metal strip inside. Then, I bend this metal strip into a V shape. Next, I attach it to a magnet to create a tool for enhancing the cat eye effect. Now, I apply silver cat eye polish to the nail. After that, I'll use a regular magnet to pull out the cat eye effect and make it shine. Finally, I place the V-shaped tool at the tip of the nail, holding it at a 90-degree angle. The result is a beautiful heart-shaped cat eye effect. If I can do it, you can do it too.